Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to set a custom ringtone on your Samsung Galaxy S23. Let's get started. So as a first step, you would need to, of course, download the track or anything else that you would like to set as your ringtone. Now, we would need to go to the settings, then open this tab which is named Sound and Vibration. Here, go to the tab which is named Ringtone, and this is it. Currently we have as our ringtone the Galaxy Bells, which is the default, and to add the custom one we would need to click on this plus on the right corner and choose your downloaded file. So for example, I'll pick this one, and here we also got an interesting option which is named Play Selected Highlights Only. So as you can see, it will play this part of song, which is the ending, but I don't like it, so I will simply disable this function and it will play from beginning. Now we click done, and this is it. You have successfully installed your custom ringtone. I hope this video helps, and thank you for watching.